So, hello student, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject JSC revision. Date 26 to 2021. Last time we started revision of lesson 3rd, Animal Kingdom. Lesson 3rd, Animal Kingdom. Lesson 3rd, Animal Kingdom. So we open page number 16. In Animal Kingdom, we have studied animals with a backbone, and anyways we studied about the fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, and animals without a backbone, and about the spiders and the insects. So in this lesson, it was remains. What have you learned in this lesson? First, the animal kingdom has a large variety of animals. There are various animals, not only one type of animal is found. Next, animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. Next, animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. And aquatic animals like fish breathe through gills. And amphibians can live both on land and in water. Reptiles move with the help of scales on their body. Birds have hollow bones that helps them to fly, and insects have 6 legs. So more to know, more than 1 million different types of insects have been identified all over the world. And insects breathe through small openings called spiracles. Or next, spiders thread is 5 times stronger than steel wire of the same thickness. And bat is of flying mammals, and dolphins and blue whales are among mammals, but look like fish. And word power, vertebrates, animals with backbone and gills, breathing organs of fish and some amphibians, and regulate to control. Web, a network of fine threads constructed by a spider, and scales, small overlapping bony plates protecting the skin of fish and reptiles. Now worksheet 3rd we have to see. So first, worksheet 3rd. E. First it is given. Write T find true and F for false. True and false. You have to select which is the true and which will be false. So first, animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. No, it is wrong. Animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. So first statement is false. So first is false here. Now next you have to see body of many fish is covered with scales. Yes, it is correct. The body of many fish is covered with scales. It is true. So second is true. Now third, birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. You have seen the eggs of birds. So birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. It is true. Now fourth, reptiles breathe through gills. You are familiar with snake, crocodile, turtle. These breathe through lungs. So this statement as reptiles breathe through gills is false. And fifth, all spiders have 8 legs. Yes, it is correct. 8, all spiders have 8 legs, but insects have, means insects have 6 legs. So here all spiders have 8 legs is correct. It is true. Now B, give 2 examples of each of the following. B, give 2 examples each of the following. This is B. Give 2 examples of each of the following: reptiles, mammals, amphibians, flightless birds, and insects. You know very well examples are reptiles, as we discussed before, snakes, crocodiles. So reptiles, first very well. Crocodiles, snakes, lizards, etc. These are examples of reptiles. Mammals, you know very well about mammals. This is the mammals, you know that cow, goat, human beings, etc. You have to give 2 examples, the human beings also, the mammals. Amphibians, you know very well about the frog, toad. These are the examples of the amphibians. Third, frogs and toads. And fourth, flightless bird. Flightless bird, you know, ostrich, emu. ostrich, emu. These are the flightless birds. And fifth, you have to see insects, housefly, butterfly. You know very well housefly and the butterfly. So go right. House, fly and housefly and the butterfly. So these are the two we have studied. So time is very less, so we cannot make revision into the syllabus. So but you have to revise the syllabus, study the entire syllabus. For finding the syllabus, you can see what booklet you have given. What I think that what syllabus booklet you have given. You see the syllabus booklet and according to that syllabus booklet you have to prepare yourself. Thank you. That's all.